country is in an unhealthy cycle, led by our eating habits and Western medicine. Eating a standard American diet leads to typical diseases: obesity, kidney failure, heart disease, and so on. These are not normal. And going to American doctors well-versed in Western medicines will never heal the body. Symptoms are masked and people become more diseased. This way of eating is unhealthy for our bodies and creates massive amounts of waste, leaving it an unsustainable lifestyle. If we don't change the way we live and eat, we will reap the consequences. It's time to take action and make some changes. Break away from grocery stores, grow your food, choose health over convenience. Find ways to make changes that create healthier eating habits and eliminate the amount of trash being produced. Eat foods that will nourish the body. Choose a simpler, more sustainable life for us and the world we live in.